All right, algebra students, we're back with some more slope-intercept, and this time we're identifying key features from slope-intercept, and of course slope-intercept is y equals mx plus b, but on this one I like these problems because in some cases they decided to try to trick us a little bit. So let's take a peek at these problems and figure out how to best help ourselves out. And we're going to do A and B here just to make sure that we have the right idea. Now on A, all we've got to remember is that the m coefficient is always with x and that the b constant is the number that's just by itself. So the slope here is what's with the x? 4. That's the m. And then the constant term 5, but realize that that is a negative 5. So m equals 4, b equals negative 5. Now on this next problem, we've got a little bit of a tricky situation. First off, they did not write it in mx plus b form. They've written it out of order to make sure you're paying attention. So good for them. So don't immediately just jump in, oh, the first thing I see, that's my slope. Nope. Whatever's with the x, whatever the coefficient on the x is. And since we don't see one, I'm going to go ahead and put in this ghost or phantom 1 there so that I see the coefficient in front of x is a negative 1, which would be the m value. And finally, the b is just the number or the constant term that's by itself, and that is 2/3. So again, when looking at problems like this, make sure that you're slowing down just a smidge and you are analyzing what number, what coefficient is attached to the x. That's your slope. Look for that. Don't just impulsively look for, oh, this is the first number I see. That's got to be m. So anyway, good luck with this, and hope you find success.